Today we're gonna be reviewing a travel camera tripod. Here's what comes in the box. Comes in a nice bag. You see it? Nice bag. Open it. Inside the bag there is manual telling you everything you need to know about it and how to set it up. So always read your manuals. Okay, you got the ball head, you got the level to tighten it and untighten it. It has an iPhone adapter. That's pretty cool. So you set your camera there, recorder, and here's the start of the show. A small tripod. So what you do is stick this here, take this off, put it through here, and then you put this on the bottom here, because there you could put your bag when you're taking photos or video or whatever you're gonna put in there, a battery pack or whatever, a sandbag or whatever you need in your tripod. Has a carrying bracelet, like a wrist strap. It's pretty sturdy. Just tighten it up here. That's how you set your height. So you tighten it up. You loosen it up here, make it the height that you want, and you tighten it and you're ready to go. And put it here, and then you can make it as tall as 68 inches. So that's pretty tall. It's very well made. It's pretty sturdy. I like it. With these little red locks, you can open and make it as big as you want, or wider. As wide as you want or if you need. Nice and steady. Just lock it in and then you're ready to go. There you go. You got the ball head on the top and then you go 360. Put it down here so you can see it. You could go 360, record 360, take photos 360. And then with these, you just screw it here. There you go. Now it's tight. You can control your camera up and down. Here, sideways, up, down. There you go. Then you get a quick release on the top. Stick this to your camera, and then all you have to do is just stick it back here, and you're good to go. And then it has a, let me put this down, has a level right there, so you can level and make sure that everything is even. So this is very convenient with a bag. It's very well made. It has locks on your legs. You can control it 360, which this Pro. You can even put it down the other way so you can hang your camera looking that way, and then you can put your bag, your sandbag, or your whatever you need to put in this hook, which is very convenient. I definitely recommend it. Photographer and videographer, and I'm glad that they sent me these, because it's a great product and I'll be using the hell out of it. So if you're a photographer, you're starting, or you are looking into investing in one of these, this is the one. Go ahead and get one and create some content. So don't wait. The brand, and I hope this video help you make your decision, and thank you for watching.